Niue was in the news in New Zealand yesterday as questions of fake permanent residency permits and thousands of dollars exchanged hands with a so-called Niue Investors Migrant program. A Chinese woman and her adult son are trying to get back $200,000 they paid a company to guarantee them Niuean and then New Zealand residency permits that were never issued. Xiaoping Law and her Auckland-based son Jordan Yang paid Astorwood investors $180,000 and agents working for the company $20,000 to guarantee permits for their family. It is alleged that Luo and Yang were advised by Eugene Lee and Haimin Xiong, who were agents of Astorwood, and also friends of Luo and Yang said they would gain permanent residency permits if they invested $200,000 in the Niue Investor Migrant program. In March 2008, Astorwood gave Luo and Yang assurance the money would be returned if the permits were denied. In May 2008, they paid Astorwood $180,000 to seal the deal. Permits, which are alleged to be fake, were issued but only for a 90-day period instead of the 3-year residency permits they were promised. The money had not been returned and Luo is still living in China. Luo and Yang's lawyer, Chris Patterson, said his client's sole aim for the investment in Niue was to gain New Zealand residency. The Niue government launched the scheme to raise capital for various projects and development opportunities around the island. In return for the money, investors were to gain a string of benefits, including permanent residency. Astorwood signed an exclusive deal with the government to source Chinese investors for the country. It has since ceased doing business with Niue. Patterson said yesterday that there was no evidence that $200,000 had ever been invested into Niue and that Astorwood had never had the ability to acquire the residency permits. The company was struck off by Companies Office between August 25th and November 17, 2009. We were not able to talk to government today regarding this matter, but we'll bring you more on this story in our future news bulletin.